Expand the capabilities of your Smart Pond Dosing System XT by adding 2 treatments at once. Adding multiple treatments at once can have distinct benefits for your pond, waterfall, or fountain. The Smart Pond Dosing System Controller add-on kit allows you to add 2 different 64-ounce water treatments simultaneously, combining the benefits of a staple water treatment with a problem-solving treatment. For example, this kit allows you to add Maintain for ponds and Clear for ponds at the same time. This will add the beneficial bacteria, phosphate binder, flocculant, and detoxifier in Maintain, in addition to the specialized clarifiers found in Clear for ponds, keeping the water healthy while also clearing up discolored water or debris that sticks to rocks and gravel. This easy-to-install kit clips into place on the Smart Pond Dosing System XT, and each controller can be set up separately on the Aquascape Smart Control app, allowing for individual control and low treatment alerts on your smartphone or tablet. Each controller add-on kit includes control panel, treatment intake assembly with low treatment alert, and all required tubing. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.